Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to recover end-to-end encrypted chats on Messenger in iOS 18. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Open the Messenger app on your iPhone. On the Messenger page, tap on three lines. On the three-line page, tap on Setting. On the Setting page, scroll down, tap Privacy and Safety. On the Safety page, tap on End-to-End Encrypted Chats. On the Chats page, tap on Message Storage. On the Storage page, turn on Secure Storage. Go back Setting page. Scroll down, tap on See More in Account Center. Tap on Your Information and Permissions. Tap Download Your Information. Tap Download or Transfer Information. Select your profile picture. Tap on Next. Tap Specific Type of Information. Select your message option and tap on Next. Download to device and tap on Next. Tap Create File to download. Now your file is created. Messenger will update you when data will be available. Thanks for watching this video.